Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys and show you guys what we can do with $10,000 Jamaican. So basically $100. And I was trying to think like where I can spend this 10,000, because I can spend like 10,000 within groceries and show you guys, 10,000 within like car stuff and show you guys, 10,000 within like house stuff and show you guys. So I'm thinking that I'm just gonna do like a day in my life, like just being social, and show you guys how far 10,000 can go. Now I can do extremes where like the 10,000 can be done in 1 second, or I can show you guys, bring you guys throughout my day. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna bring you guys throughout the day, and we're gonna do it in like a vlog style. So I have it right here. Let me just show you guys so you guys can count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, let me get up closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for those who are not familiar with Jamaican dollars, JMD, so 1,000 Jamaican dollars, as you see in my hand right now, is basically equivalent to $10, okay? So I want you guys to keep that in mind when I'm spending my money. I always will advocate for you guys to learn Jamaican dollars. It's so simple and easy. I'm all for the culture, so learn it. It's so easy, guys. Okay, so let's start the day and let's go on to the next clip. Okay guys, so we're on the road now, and I want to share with you guys that like $10,000 can't even do anything down here, right, Annie? So what do you think? Do you think $10,000 can do anything down here? No, nothing. And then we're gonna show you guys. So we're gonna show you guys in this video that $10,000 can be done like this. I can literally, I don't want to do one thing and then all the money is done. So I'm gonna try and like bring you guys around and show you guys like little bit by little bit. I'm gonna try and do this video in one day, but if not, I'm gonna do it like separate days at a time. But yeah, anyways, let's just go to the first spot, or the first thing, because I have to buy something. Anyways, I'm buying earrings from her. So you guys can, when you're down here, you can buy them from people on the road. They sell. Let me show you. They sell. So I'm just gonna buy earrings I saw that are cute.
One piece of
No, she only sells gold. Gold. But I only wear silver. This is too big. Robin? I was telling her that I only wear silver, so I want some silver hoop earrings. I'm gonna buy some hoop earrings for her. So how much are these?
for both of them? Give me 1,100.
I like these. 1,100. So how much is this?
17. Give me 1,600.
Okay, so 1,600 for this. Then, okay, so I give her 2,000.
You have 100?
No, I don't.
Thank you very much, my sugar pie.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome,
Now you
darling.
can-
Thanks for shopping.
I'm buying some chips. They're $50 for one. So 3 Doritos. It's so windy over here. 3 Doritos, 3 Cheetos. Oh, give me 3 of these. So she's putting them in a bag. So how much is that? Oh, okay, but that's still good.
One more mix. You want one more $500?
Yes, do a next Doritos. The cheese one tastes good? We're gonna do 500. Okay, 1 second. Okay.
It's having cheese. This is
That's clear.
Yes?
Turn up a clean.
So everyone's buying because they're so cheap. They're cheap. Everyone's coming and buying because in the supermarket. Oh, wait, I didn't see this one here. You didn't buy this one? Okay, so now we're buying mangoes. And it's in season for mangoes right now. So she has 3 for how much?
$400.
So
150, 150, 100.
Yeah, so this is really good. This is literally what we do. When we see stuff in season all the time, we buy it. So if it was apple season, we would be buying apples at the moment too. Yeah, but I haven't had it in a while. But it's okay. I'm so excited that I got this, guys. I keep on talking about it. 500. You're so funny. Yeah, that's good. What kind of mangoes are these? Tell the vlog. What kind of mangoes are these, miss? East Indian. So you guys can come get your East Indian mangoes then.
Guys, these are East Indian and these are Jew. Different.
They look good.
But these are the best. Bomb.
Why do you think they're the best?
Only seed it so that you. Yeah, only seed.
You eat it? Okay, so now we're buying box food at Juicy Beef. Cheap. Juicy beef.
They must put money a big man.
What do you mean by me?
Right? Tell her again. We eat it all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna buy some food here to eat for like lunch. We're in Juicy Beef and I bought yes, I want a fried chicken. So it was $600 for a large breast, please. And can you put the gravy on the chicken? Yeah, so I bought a large for $600 and then I bought a drink for $100. Okay, this is just like lunch food. And I like coming to Juicy Beef because they always have pasta here. A lot of cook shops don't have pasta, huh? Yeah, their food sucks though. Yeah, that's the only thing I was scared about, that someone might taste it. Please?
Oh, white rice.
Is that a lot? Okay guys, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow because I don't want this whole video to be a food vlog when I already have a food vlog. So I'm just gonna see you guys tomorrow and yeah, that's it. My hair is so messy just from walking. My makeup is melting already. Okay, so in Jamaica with $100 you can take a taxi, well, where I am right now, you can take a taxi. So I'm gonna go take a taxi to Spalding's and then we're gonna take another taxi to like Limit. So it's gonna be like $200 in total. So I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys can see everything. Right now I'm waiting for a taxi and I don't know how long I'm going to wait. It might be 1 minute, 10 minutes, an hour. Even though I didn't want this video to be a food vlog, but I'm gonna go out for lunch and stuff and drinks. Since it's a social setting, I'm going out for drinks. So I'll bring you guys along so you guys can see drinks and stuff like that. Finally, after 20 years. Okay. Okay everyone, so I'm in Spalding's now. The taxi that I was in, he crashed into another car. So I jumped out. I said, I'm leaving. Bye. So I jumped out the taxi. Gave him his $100 that I showed you guys. So now I'm on to Christiana and I'm in another taxi now. So now I'm going to go to Limit and then I'll catch back up to you. And this, how much is it to go to Limit? 100, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna give him 100 to go to Limit. So this is it. Can they see? Okay, thank you. So I was just saying that this is so strong. All you taste is alcohol. You don't even taste juice. You don't taste. So Dino's the mixologist here. He made another one because it was full of liquor and no juice. So we're gonna try again. And then, so this was 700. This was 500. So I just got spicy wings. Even though I wanted it before I got this, which was 1,200. I'm pretty sure. This is pineapple chicken with mashed potatoes. It looks so good. Yeah, this tastes 10 million times better. If you drink too fast, it gives you a headache. Is it true? Let me know down below, everyone. Okay, so how much is it? $2,850. And I eat all that for myself. I had to rub my hair because it blew out. But it was $2,850. That was it. That's it. My face looks wet. Okay, we're gonna give Dino a tip because he mixed my drink. So whenever you guys come here, make sure you guys say hi to Dino. So that's $500. So make sure whenever you guys come here, you give Dino a tip. Where's the bartender girl? Oh, hi. Can you change this? Thank you. Okay. Okay. Anyways. Okay, I'm at the car wash. Okay, so he's cleaning my car. $500. Okay, everyone, it's the next morning. It's another day. And today I'm gonna tint the front of my car. I'm not gonna do everything because I only have like $2 left. So I'm like, okay, let me tint the front of my car because people are so fast down here. Everyone can see if I'm wearing my glasses, if I have a green shirt on when I'm driving. So I'm like, okay, I need to tint that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna show you guys just like how they tint. And like this man here, everyone goes to this man in the area. So locally in the Spaldings area. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I make sure whenever I'm doing stuff, I always book appointments to be the first person. I make sure I tell him I'm coming. Yeah, I asked him what time should I come. He said anytime after 9. I made sure that I come exactly at 9 so I can just get in and get out. Okay, he took off the tinting and the car looks so different without the tinting on it. Before.
Hello, vlog. What's up?
The girls them said that you were cute. Girls in the comment section on YouTube said you were cute.
Really? Oh God, so how comes I can't have one of those girls?
I don't know.
Or you just want me for yourself?
No. Guys, he's mixed up.
Hi, I'm Jeff. Is that the
Okay, we're going to do this one for the front, but I can't do it too dark, so I picked this color instead of this one, the silver one, because this one has like a silver undershade. I don't know what it's called. But yeah. But I didn't like how this one though.
Oh.
Okay, so this is the final. I bought some bananas and they were $10 each. Oh, and I spent $2,500 on just this alone at the front. But yeah. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to do more of these and like what dollar amount you guys want me to do next. Or if you have any other ideas, let me know down below. Follow me on Instagram, Annesha Adams, to stay updated with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, and subscribe because I do a lot more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I have driving lessons. No, I have lessons for my bike, so you guys can tune in into that vlog if you guys want to see me learning how to ride a bike and other random stuff that I do, that I'm going to be doing in Jamaica. So yeah.